आनी आयज कोस्टल बेल्टार जो बोबाव पडला म्हणूंक शकता. पीपल आर रनिंग फ्रॉम पोस्ट टू पिलर विथ देअर एडवोकेट्स विथ देअर लिगल टीम्स आनी खूंयच सुटका मेळना तांकां. दे आर नॉट गेटींग द रिक्वायर्ड रिलीफ. तांचे कडेन जे डॉक्युमेंट्स आसा, सम हॅव लायसन्सीस फ्रॉम द हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट, some have licenses from the tourism department, some have licenses from the panchayat, some from the excise department prior to 1991, from the 1980s 1970s. मात वॅलिडिटी आमची CRZ डिपार्टमेंट जी जावन आसा ते एक्सेप्ट करिना, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट दे आर नॉट गेटींग द एक्सपेक्टेड रिलीफ फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट. आमी CMच्या फुडल्यान हें मांडलेलें आसा. CM has assured us, is called the secretary Mishra Bab, he has called the respected minister, and he has assured us that these genuine cases of local people will be taken into consideration and they will be given due relief.
कितली जाणां आसा अशी घरां कितली आसपाक शकता?
म्हाका दिसता आमचे शिवोले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी there will be at least 500 to 600 affected families. आणि आमचे शिवोले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सोडून कालांगूट, कांदोली, इन्क्लुडींग मांद्रे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, इन्क्लुडींग आमचो सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एंड द एंटायर कोस्टल बेल्ट ऑफ गोवा. यू क्युमुलेटिवली चेक द नंबर ऑफ फॅमिलीज हू आर देर, अ लार्ज पॉप्युलेशन ऑफ आवर लोकल फिशरमॅन, आमचे रापोणकार, आमचे शेकवाले, they are all being affected, and if they do not get the due support of the government today, people will start to lose hope.
Okay. So तुम्ही आता कन्सर्न मिनिस्टराकूय मेळ्ळे?
Minister Meola, he has assured us that he will definitely speak with the MS, Member Secretary. He will speak with the Director, and after taking all of them into consideration, the personal hearings which are going on today with regards to CRZ matters will be taken up on priority for the locals.
Don't you think so? Because since this is the real traditional Goans issue, हिंगा केन्ना केन्ना हॉटेलां सेव करूंक जाय, आनी कितें सेव करूंक जाय जाल्यार सगळें जाता. सो ह्या गोंयकारांक सेव करपाक जाय जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटान सिरियसली
उलयतात. People are speaking on the same direction. When I am from the tourism industry. I have my own restaurant in Anjuna. These are all my locals. They are all my neighbors. They come to me. They come to us. आणि जेन्ना ते आपले विशय मांडतात, they are third generation and entrepreneurs, third generation businessmen. Their great grandfathers have started this business at their own house. त्यांच्या घराकडे तांच्यांनी एक बारीक रेस्टॉरंट म्हणून ओपन केल्ले, बारीक ग्रोसरी शॉप म्हणून ओपन केल्ले. तांकां आयज त्रास जाल्ले. दे आर द वन्स हू आर सफरींग. इट इज नॉट द इन्वेस्टर्स फ्रॉम ऑल अक्रॉस इंडिया ऑर ऑल अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड हू आर सफरींग. आमचे लोकल लोक आयज तांकां त्रास जाल्ले. मात CMन अश्युरन्स दिल्ले. ही हॅज अश्योर्ड अस दॅट ही वील हेल्प इन दीस मॅटर.
ओके डॅनियल, लागून NGTन तुमच्या रिजॉर्टाकूय हे केल्ल्या हे म्हणून ते इट इज सिमिलर इश्यू, लोकांक त्रास जाता तो तुमकांय जाला तसो तो?
That is a matter which is pending in the Supreme Court in the NGT. Currently it is sub judice, so we cannot comment on that.
CZMP 2019 येतलो पळय न्हू, तितून इश्यू रिजॉल्व करता म्हटल्यार मिनिस्टरान, MOF मिनिस्ट्रीक मेळोन ते मिटिंगू करता म्हटल्यार.
Importance is amendment of the rule, and through CZMP the MOF from the center has to come up with an amendment where all the local stakeholders, genuine cases who've had their businesses and their houses and their structures prior to 1991, prior to the formation of CRZ, they have to be taken into consideration. आणि on first priority basis म्हाका दिसता तांकां सुटका दिवपाची गरज आसा. आयज लोकांच्या मनान भंय पडलेलो आसा. There is a fear psychosis in the mind of the people of Goa throughout the coastal belt. And no wonder so many families today, when we speak to people on the ground, आयज तुमी जरी तर coastal belt गेले, they will all tell you the same thing. Pollution Control Board, CRZ, and so many other departments are after them.
Okay.
Thank you.